Cooking Impaired. Tonight's lesson, chicken and broccoli. There's the chicken, nice and cooked and cut up. Fresh broccoli cut up. And 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. This is what you do. You see the chicken's cut and cooked. Dump the cans in. Put a half a can of water for each can. So since I use 2 cans, I use 1 full can of water. Pour it in like so. Mix the shit around. Dump the broccoli in. Stir that in there. Cover and let simmer for about an hour and you're good to go. Cook your egg noodles, serve it on top, and that's it.